Hey everyone, let's dive into a fascinating topic that's got the financial world buzzing. We're talking about the recent developments in the S&P 500 futures market and how it's influenced by the potential deal between the US and Iran regarding the Strait of Hormuz. This story has all the elements of a great thriller: geopolitical tensions, economic implications, and a bit of uncertainty thrown in for good measure. Now, I want to take you behind the scenes and break down why this story matters and what it could mean for the future. So, let's start with the basics. The S&P 500 futures market is a crucial indicator of the overall health of the US stock market. It's like a preview of the main event, giving us a glimpse into the potential direction of the broader market. And right now, there's a bit of a dip in those futures, which is intriguing. The reason? Well, it seems that the much-anticipated deal between the US and Iran to open the Strait of Hormuz is not as imminent as we might have thought. Iran has denied engaging in direct negotiations, which has dampened the initial optimism. You see, the Strait of Hormuz is a critical waterway for global trade, especially for oil. Any disruption or closure of this strait could have massive economic consequences. So, when there's a chance of a deal that could open it up, it naturally creates a buzz in the financial world. But here's the twist: President Trump has stated that the US is only semi-negotiating with Iran. He wants to keep the economic pressure on, which suggests that a quick resolution might not be on the cards. Now, this is where it gets interesting. The three major US stock indexes had their best week since April, and the S&P 500 even hit an all-time closing record. So, why the dip in futures? Well, personally, I think it's a case of investors being cautious. They're taking a step back and assessing the situation. After all, a deal that could impact global trade and oil prices is a big deal. What many people don't realize is that these futures markets are highly sensitive to news and expectations. A slight shift in tone or a single statement can cause a ripple effect. And that's exactly what we're seeing here. The initial optimism has given way to a more cautious approach as the reality of the situation sets in. But it's not all doom and gloom. Despite the muted action on Sunday, Wall Street is still heading into the week with positive momentum. The major indexes are coming off their biggest weekly gains in months. So, what's next? Well, investors will be keeping a close eye on inflation data this week. Consumer and producer price index readings will give us a better understanding of the economic landscape. Additionally, we'll be watching earnings reports from various sectors, including consumer-facing companies and technology firms. These reports can provide valuable insights into the health of different industries. In my opinion, this story highlights the intricate dance between geopolitics and economics. It's a reminder that global events can have a direct impact on our financial markets. So, as we wait for more developments, let's keep an eye on the Strait of Hormuz and its potential impact on the S&P 500. It's a story that's sure to keep us on the edge of our seats.